Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at question 1 from the 2023 Specialist External Exam, paper 1. Now, as you'll notice with all the videos on the channel, I've started splitting up each individual question into its own video. That way I can go into a bit more depth on each question, and it gives you guys a bit more variety in terms of like study material. So if you only study like with if you only struggle with question 1 and let's say another question, you can go watch those videos. If you want the full exam video, this link is still up on YouTube. Link is in the description below. If you guys want a Specialist External Exam bundle pack, the link is also in the description below to get your download. But otherwise, let's get straight into this question. Now, this one is also tech-free. The position of a particle is given by this vector equation for t is greater than 0. Determine the corresponding Cartesian equation. So here, when we have a vector equation, here we've got to understand this, first of all, how many dimensions there are. So in this case here, there's 2, because there's I and j, which is x and y respectively. So we have this guy here at the moment. Now what we would do is, just split it up into two parametric equations and then combine them together to create your Cartesian equation. So here we can recognize this is our x here. So x is equal to t plus 2. And this here would be our y. So y is equal to t squared. Now our job now is to cancel out this parameter t, because the Cartesian equation just has x, y, and if it's 3D, z as well. So here we want to get t by itself, so we can substitute this into the y equation. So if I move the 2 across, you'll have x minus 2 is equal to t. Then what we're going to do is just replace this guy wherever we see t here. So we'll get y equals x minus 2 all squared. Now we can see they're all written in expanded form, so we're going to have to expand this guy as well. So this is the same as x minus 2 times by itself. So we have to expand that. So x times x times negative 2, and then repeat that process there. So here we'll have y equals, so x times x gives you x squared. We're going to have negative 2 times by x appearing twice, so you can have minus 4x. And then you're going to have minus 2 times minus 2, which gives you positive 4. So the correct answer here is going to be C. I would say that's a pretty easy question. If you had any issues with that, you need to take a look at vector calculus a bit more. Otherwise, you may need the Specialist External Exam bundle pack. The link is in the description below. And if you had any further questions at all, leave something in the comments. But otherwise, I'll see you in the next video.